Hello crafters, this is Jen and welcome to Katahdin Crafts. Today I just wanted to go over my experience with scrapbook.com. I recently placed an order. I placed my order late on Wednesday evening. They shipped on Thursday and I had my priority mail package by Monday. And I'm located in northern Maine, so I was pretty impressed with that timing. So I was excited and I wanted to share with you what I did purchase that day. The first thing that I purchased was the ink blending tool with domed foam applicators and then the replacement foams. This is scrapbook.com and I really couldn't wait to check those out. I've been reading really a lot of good reviews on them. And then I'm trying to collect more of Gina K's Thermal Web glitter gels. So I purchased a few more colors. I got the gold, the wild lilac, bubblegum, and silver, and I actually didn't put this on screen. I think it slipped out of the package, but I also got the brilliant blue. I have a few more colors that I actually have to gather up, but I have plans to do some rainbow designs with some stencils, so I'm looking forward to that. Next are some stamps and dies that I purchased. The first is Hero Art's Time for Cake, and this goes with their monthly stamp kit, and I do have a membership to that. I absolutely love their products. And this is Avery Elle's with Sympathy. I purchased both the die cut and the stamp set that goes together. And then next is Picket Fence Studio Stencil and Scrolls. I thought that was really cute. And then this is what I was ultimately excited about, the Altenew Tartan Stamp. I could not wait to get this. I was really excited when it was finally back in stock. I have so many ideas and I have some of their inks coming at the end of the week and I cannot wait to play. I'm hoping Sunday will be a big time play day. This is Concord and 9th, their lovely Lattice Turnabout. I haven't played with their Turnabouts yet, but I have a couple of them and I have some ideas with those as well. And then that was Catherine Pooler Designs in the Kitchen Collection, the Loop Braid Stencil. And that was Altenew Framed Thanks die cut. And then this is scrapbook.com String Lights stencil and the Moroccan stencil or tile stencil. Both of those I thought were really cute. Next up I have the Thermoweb Deco Foil Transfer Gel. I've been reading tons about this lately too, and I cannot wait to try that. I am not having very much luck with my hot foil, but I'm looking forward to trying a couple more things with foil. And these are Ranger Inks palette knife set. They come with 4 pieces in the set. And next up is actually I'm going to try Gina K's Thermoweb Adhesive Dot Runner, and that's the permanent one. I haven't had a chance to check that out yet, and I'm excited because I've heard lots of good things. And then last but not least is my scrapbook.com, the color case stackable storage for 1-ounce bottles. I haven't decided if I'm going to actually put my stickles in there or my Nuvo drops, but either way, I think that this is really cool. I've seen lots of people use these and stack them up, and I just love organization and playing with my scrapbook supplies in that way. I like to organize them, so this will be a great addition to my room in my space. See, I think they fit great and it keeps it upside down, so therefore when you go to use them, they're all ready to go. So anyway, I really loved my experience with scrapbook.com. I will have the links to all these fun products, plus the link to their website below and on my blog. Thank you. Have a great crafty day.